Here I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to perform master reset operation on this device. So basically, master reset is just the factory reset through the factory mode. So what you have to do firstly is to turn your device off. Then you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. Let's try it one more time. Like this. And here you have to select, here you have to use volume down to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select the third option from the bottom, these Chinese symbols EMMC, and after that your device will be restarted in about a minute and all the data erased. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.